Okay, so I'm going to show you why the incident referenced in Joshua chapter 10 about the sun and moon stopping, it's already evident it has nothing to do with the shape of the earth. That's not even an issue of what the planet looks like, its shape. That really has to do with the motion of stars and planets and heavenly bodies. It has nothing to do with the shape of those stars and moons and heavenly bodies. But I'm going to show you here really quick how this incident doesn't exalt a flat earth model or a geocentric model, differentiate it from the heliocentric model. Because in the heliocentric model, guess what, guys? The sun and moon are also moving. This is just another scripture these guys try to do their gimmickry in there. Well, let me explain how the flat earth model works and how this verse could only work on a flat earth model. I'm going to explain how that's just stupid, okay? It's stupid. In the geocentric model, the planets are moving. Heavenly bodies are moving. In the flat earth Crayola cutout Christmas lights ornament light bulb kit, Scotch tape kit, the do-it-yourself kit, the little lights on a motor that are going around the top of an earth flapjack, those are moving. In the dreaded, feared Jesuit heliocentric model, the heavenly bodies are moving. The sun and the solar system are moving. Our galaxy is moving. The speed of our solar system is traveling at an average speed of 828,000 kilometers per hour, or 515,000 miles per hour. Its trajectory is around the galactic center of the Milky Way, and that is about 1/1300th of the speed of light. The moon is moving. The moon orbits the Earth at 2,288 miles per hour, or about 4,000 kph, kilometers per hour. The motion of our galaxy. How fast is the Milky Way galaxy moving? 1.3 million miles per hour, or 2.1 million kilometers per hour. Okay, the sun, in the heliocentric model, the sun is moving at 45,000 miles per hour, 72,000 kilometers per hour. And this speed is in a frame of reference to if the other stars were all standing still. There's many different ways to measure velocity. You should look up relative velocity. And if you're one of these people that are hooked up on, well, I can't feel myself moving, so I must be sitting still, look up the concept of constant speed. The reason you don't feel the motions of all these things is because you're moving with them. You are moving at the same speed as the Earth. If the Earth suddenly changed speed or something interfered with the Earth's orbit around the sun, trust me, you would feel it. And that's going to happen. That's prophesied to happen in Revelation. Something is going to interfere with the Earth and its circuit around the sun, and we're going to feel it. That's why the Earth is going to shake. That's not an earthquake, folks. An earthquake is a local incident. It's something that happens along a fault line, which is located in a locality. When the Earth shakes, the whole thing's going to shake, and it's going to have something to do with a stellar body acting against the Earth's gravity and interfering with our stable motion around the sun. You guys already know how fast the Earth is moving in the heliocentric model. So Joshua 10, God making the sun and the moon stand still, that applies in all three models, whether you're talking about the heliocentric model, whether you're talking about the geocentric model, or you're talking about the cardboard cutout Crayola Christmas light Scotch tape kit flat Earth model with the little motor making the little tiny lights go around the pancake flapjack Earth. So Joshua chapter 10, the sun and the moon standing still, it doesn't speak in favor of any model, because in the heliocentric model, the sun and the moon and our Earth and our solar system and our galaxy, they're all moving at speeds that we can measure. Let's say the Earth were flat and your ridiculous closed dome firmament model thing, let's say that were accurate. Well, the sun is moving and the moon is moving on a little motor that Mark Sargent put together. He pulled out of one of his remote control cars and stuck in there. And the geocentric model, same thing. The geocentric model just says that the heavenly bodies in our solar system are moving or orbiting around the Earth, which is ridiculous because the Earth does not have a mass big enough and a gravity large enough to make things orbit around it other than something small like our moon, which is pretty small. So whether you're talking about the cardboard Crayola cutout flat Earth model with Mark Sargent's motor from his 1982 Christmas present Knight Rider remote control kit powering his Christmas light bulb sun and moon, or whether you're talking about the geocentric model, or whether you're talking about the heliocentric model, everything is moving. So Joshua commanding the sun and moon to stand still, that would apply in all three models. So it doesn't speak to any particular model because in all three models, the sun and the moon are moving. Case closed. Moving along. Moving right past that. Come on, guys.
Flat Earth. A shadowy slide into a dangerous world that does not exist. Yeah, I think Knight Rider's personally a lot cooler too. Flat Earth pretty much sucks.